So workbench command palette preserve input controls whether the last typed input to the command palette should be restored when opening it the next time. So this is set to false by default, which means that every time you open the command palette, you have a clean slate. But if you set this to true, let's test it out. Let's test this out. So let's open the default settings, for example. Then you close them out. And if you try and open the command palette again, you will have the whatever you wrote before, right? Obviously, this doesn't work with the reload window because every time you reload the window, you clean the history. So if you try and open the command palette again, you won't have a reload window. I guess this is the only exception to the rule. I do not find this to be useful, just for the fact that you have history. So, I mean, if you want to reload the window, I'm sorry, let's not reload the window because this will break the history. If you want to open, whatever command you're using, so let's just open default settings, and you do it again, if you press enter immediately, you already have the last command selected in the command palette. So there's really no need for having the whatever you wrote before written again. So I'm going to leave this one set to false, which is the default option.